Welcome. Today is Ugadi and this is 2023. Wish you all a very happy Ugadi. And today we are trying to prepare a pachadi that is very famous and it is almost a must have when you are celebrating Ugadi. So in order to prepare pachadi, there are certain ingredients that you need. So first let me introduce you to the ingredients. So first you should have tamarind water. So you should have some kind of ball. In that you put some water and then put tamarind, soak it for about half an hour and then just filter it out with the help of the chutney. And then you should have a jaggery, desi jaggery. It is preferable. Little bit of jaggery, maybe 50 grams of jaggery. After that, pieces of coconuts, and then little bit of chili and a raw mango. Okay, cut into small pieces. And this is very important and very essential ingredients. This is nothing but a neem flower. Okay, so this is very important here. Now let's prepare the pachadi. So first take a ball and then put some water into the ball and then put little bit of, depending on how much sweet you want, we'll put jaggery into it. Put little more. Okay, so after that you can see that I had kept raw mango here that was cut into small pieces. I have put that raw mango inside this jaggery water, and then slowly you put little bit of chili that I had cut into small pieces. After that you put the coconut that was also cut into small pieces here, and then you put this neem flower that you can see here. Right? That is, it's a must have ingredients. It brings a different taste into this pachadi, and also it is very antiviral, so it has all beneficial properties that is helpful for our health. And once you have done it, then just mix it well. After mixing all these things, just mix it well with the help of a spoon that you can see. Mix it for about half a minute, and then if you desire you can also put little bit of salt. Rock salt is preferable because normal sea salt is not that healthy, so that's why we are using rock salt here. Depending on how much you like, what kind of taste you have, you put the rock salt also. Mix it well, and once all these things are done, then it's time to put some tamarind water into it. So just with the help of chutney, just filter it out so that this last part of the tamarind is not going inside. Okay, here you go. So all ingredients are already kept inside this ball. Now just mix it well for a couple of minutes, and once you have done it, let it be like this for about half an hour, and after that you can have it. You can keep this pachadi for 2 to 3 days also inside the refrigerator, and it will be as fresh as you have prepared, and then you can have it. And this is what it is. Thank you very much for listening and watching the video.